All right, well, if you couldn't already tell by the title of this video, this is my 100 subscriber thank you video. Man, I'm so blown away. I really never thought, you know, when I started my channel about a year ago now, that people would really want to see what I'm doing out on the trail and going on these adventures. And it's been really cool to have people that I know nothing about watch my video and comment and, you know, take part in going out and seeing these amazing places that I get to go to, and these amazing adventures that I get to have. So, you know, whether you've watched all of my videos or this is the first one you've clicked on, you know, I want to say thank you to everyone who's come along with me on these great trips I get to go on, and, you know, giving me a minute of their time to check out what I get to do here. So thank you all. I'm truly humbled, and it's really a great feeling to be able to hit this little first milestone and know that this is kind of just the beginning, and I want to keep going and keep building and keep getting to do this, because I have as much fun getting to do these trips and filming them and experiencing all these amazing places, and then editing it and putting it together into this cool video and sharing it with everyone, as I hope you all do watching them. So, you know, I think we're gonna cruise on out here today. We're out in the little wash here kind of behind our house, and we're gonna find a nice little spot here by the creek and set up the Hillinox tarp, box tarp, and we're gonna make a little food. I got this little like firebox thing, so we're gonna set it up. You can probably see I got some wood strapped on the back here. So we're gonna break a little down and get a little fire going and make a little food and enjoy this beautiful afternoon here. Sun's kind of starting to dip, and we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful area for a little bit. Listen to this creek run behind us, so come along, let's find a nice little spot. Let's make some good food. Find a little spot here to cut the wind. Although it's really just a breeze. But I'll tell you, when it's cold out, any wind moving on you definitely drops that temperature.
Sorry. Ready?
Come on. Come on, Bubs. He's got it. Oh, this looks nice right here.
Watch your step.
Oh, is it muddy? Oh, yeah. Come on right here. Yeah. All right, so this is the little flat pack grill I got. I got it off Amazon. It was like 26 bucks, so They make a large and a small version. This is the large version. I'll post a link to it down in the descriptions if you're interested and want to check it out, but it's pretty cool. It's the UCO flat pack portable grill. Pretty sweet. So this will be my first time using it, but I saw another YouTuber using it and thought it looked pretty cool because basically it's just a little fold flat unit. You flip this sucker open and these legs go inside each other. And it turns into a little grill. One thing I'm not crazy about is you have to have the grill plate like inserted into it for it to have like structure. So that might make it a little awkward here trying to remove it if I'm going to try to pack wood in, but I think we'll be able to figure it out. So we're going to get this set up. I'm going to baton some wood here and we'll see if we can get a little fire going in it. I brought a little cast iron that we're going to throw right on top of it here. So my plan is to do a little cheesy chicken pasta for us here. So I think that's the plan. Let's get some wood cut up here and see if we can get this sucker rolling. All right, so we got all of our wood broken up here, and I got this little tissue in the bottom there to get started. Now, a little trick that I always use out on the trail, because I always carry it, is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a great fire starter. So if you ever need to, a little dab will do you right on there. And because of all the alcohol in there, that'll start burning real good. So let's now start building it up here. Let's see if we can get some of this wood. This wood has been sitting under my front porch now for about a year. So let's see if we can get this to go. Oh yeah, look at that. She fired right up. It's got lots of nice ventilation right on the bottom here, so the air can just cruise right through it. But we're just gonna let this go, and I think we're gonna be golden here in a minute. So I get my little cast iron on there and we'll start cooking. Well, we got the fire rolling pretty good here, and I brought some coals for us to get cooking on here, so I figure let's get some of these added right on there. That should be good. Get that fired up. What you think, bubs? Oh, got the coals on. How about a little tea while we wait? All right, now if you've seen any of my other videos, you know out on the trail, I love that chai tea latte. So convenient, you know, just dump it in, get your hot water, and beautiful. For you, my love.
Thank you, baby.
And we're almost ready here, I think, to throw the grate on and see if we can get cooking. So let's get that figured out. How's yours? Still too hot? It's good though. Hey. All right, I think we're just about good here. Let's get our pan on and preheating. So I got some little chicken breast we're gonna sear off here, little onions and garlic. I got some of these dried noodles that we're gonna boil in the MSR. A little heavy cream, some boursin, and a little white wine here. Deglaze the pan with once we get a good sear going. I think Bianca might get a sip or two of that. Maybe. We'll see. But we're just waiting for this pan to get hot and just enjoying this nice evening we're getting here, watching this sunset over the mesa. Pretty nice. Not too bad. All right, pan's hot. Got some oil in there. Let's get our chicken. All right. Little seasoning kit right here. Salt, garlic, pepper, onion powder, chicken bouillon. And I got a little dinner rolls with some butter heating up on the side there. Oh, they're getting there. In goes the white wine. Cheers. Yummy. In goes our heavy cream. Well, I had a little technical difficulty, and I kind of knew I was going to have it at some point. The little O-ring down there in the bottom of my MSR wind burner here finally crapped out on me, and when I screwed the canister in, you could hear it whistling coming out the side there. So we had to improvise here, and we're just cooking the noodles straight in the sauce, and it's going to boil over a little bit, but that's okay. Let's let it smoke out here. And hopefully in about 5-10 minutes here we should have some good noodles going, and the sauce will cook down a little bit and we'll be able to dive on in. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, she's bubbling in there.
She's bubbling. She's bubbling. We had to throw a little more wood on the fire too. It started dying out a little bit, so I had to break another little bit down and throw it on so we could get some more coals going. But this thing is pretty sweet. It can definitely handle a pretty good fire, and we could have even gone with a bigger cast iron. So, you know, if you're willing to pack it out and carry it with you, you can get a pretty good fire going on this thing. Dang, pretty sweet. All right, give her another couple minutes here, and we should be good to give it a stir and see where we're at. Oh yeah, we're just about there. I was a little worried it wouldn't work just cooking them straight in the sauce, but you know, they came right back. All right, let's eat. I'm freaking starving. This looks amazing. What do you think? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that looks really good. We took the grate off and threw some more wood on there, so we're gonna get a nice little fire going here, keep us nice and warm.
Plastic.
Oh yeah, I'll move it in a second. And we're gonna dig on in here, enjoy some food. So Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy this delicious meal.
Dive on in.
Yummy. Oh, we got this fire ripping. And this tastes so good. Seriously, just made by the fire. I don't know if it's just cooking outside or food when you're hungry, but something about eating by a fire always makes it taste better. So we're going to enjoy our meal here. We're going to sit back, enjoy this fire, relax, and enjoy the rest of this little adventure we got going on here. So again, I just want to say thank you to everyone subscribing to my channel, watching these videos. It's really amazing. So thank you guys. I'm going to keep putting out this content, keep making these great videos, keep going on these adventures. So I hope everyone wants to keep watching and keeps the interest going here. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. Hope you enjoy. Take care.